What's up? It's me, your boy, Derpy Pengu. We're shooting Tannerite again, and they're in little plastic bags, see? They're just in little Ziploc bags. But, don't be fooled by the small stature. They will pack a hell of a punch. I have some slow motion videos that I'm going to edit into this one, so without further ado, see one in live action. If I can actually hit it. Which...
Just aim for the center of the bag.
That was the center of the bag, and it didn't explode. Alright, we're trying again.
Wow.
Ka-fucking boom.
That blew up the styrofoam.
Yeah. It's Tannerite. So, like I said, I'm gonna edit some slow motion videos of that exploding and a little bit. So, that's it.